The demand for cybersecurity professionals has grown exponentially in the last 2 decades. And why wouldn't they? The numbers of cybercrimes has increased. Every year sees a new zero-day vulnerability attack, and more devices are getting connected through the internet. In times like this, it is evident that more and more individuals would want to go in the field of cybersecurity, and one of the most important thoughts that such individuals have is whether I should start applying for jobs after learning the necessary skills, or should I get myself certified? Not only that, with over hundreds of cybersecurity certifications out there, from vendor-specific to generic and from entry-level to advanced, the confusion just keeps on adding up. But worry not, because we will untangle the confusion web of cybersecurity certifications and whether you should do it or not. In this video, we will dive deep into understanding whether you should go for a cybersecurity certification or not, and if so, then why and which one. Now, without any further ado, let's get started.
If you're looking to embark on a cybersecurity career journey, consider the Caltech Cybersecurity Bootcamp. Gain essential skills and practical experience to safeguard organizations' critical systems and sensitive data from cyber attacks through real-world projects. Gain expertise in defensive and offensive cybersecurity, digital forensics, penetration testing, and infrastructure design with the Caltech Cybersecurity Bootcamp. Our curriculum, labs, and hands-on exercise provide exposure to popular cybersecurity tools, meeting industry demand. Check out the course link in the description for more details. Cybersecurity certifications offer substantial advantages to those experienced in cybersecurity at beginner level, including skill enhancement, expanded career opportunities, industry acknowledgement, and support for ongoing learning and professional growth. However, it's important to choose certifications that align with your career goals, research their relevance and recognitions within the industry, and complement them with practical experience and a commitment to staying updated with evolving cybersecurity practices. So now, cybersecurity certifications are highly valuable and worth pursuing for several compelling reasons, including industry recognitions. So these certifications are respected in cybersecurity, validating your expertise and showcasing your commitment to professional development. This recognition enhances your credibility and marketability among employers, clients, and colleagues. The next reason is skill enhancement. Cybersecurity certification offers specialized training in specific areas, allowing you to deepen your understanding of principles, techniques, and technologies. This enables you to develop advanced skills in high demand in the industry. And then, career advancement. Obtaining cybersecurity certification opens doors to new career opportunities and accelerates your career progression. Employers often prefer certified candidates as certification demonstrates readiness for higher level roles and responsibilities. And next we have stay current with industry standards. Cybersecurity certification require ongoing education and renewal, ensuring you stay updated with the latest industry standards, best practices, and emerging threats. This helps you to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving field. And the fifth reason is professionally networking. Certification often provide access to professional communities and networking opportunities. Engaging with fellow certified professionals allow you to make valuable connections, collaborate, and share knowledge. And the sixth reason is personal and professional growth. Pursuing cybersecurity certification promotes personal and professional growth. It expands your knowledge, hone your skills, and present new challenges. It allows you to explore different areas of cybersecurity and foster lifelong learning. So, by pursuing cybersecurity certifications, you can gain industry recognition, enhance your skills, advance your career, stay updated with industry standards, build professional networks, and experience personal and professional growth. This reason makes cybersecurity certification an excellent investment for your career in the field of cybersecurity. And the top companies hiring cybersecurity professionals include American Express, Netflix, Oracle, Amazon, LinkedIn, Microsoft, Google, VMware, and many more. Cybersecurity certificates validate your expertise in specific areas of cybersecurity and provide evidence of your commitment to professional development. To fast-track your cybersecurity career, visit Simplilearn's website and explore popular courses to help you enter the field. Some recommended courses include Certified Ethical Hacker, Certified Information System Security Professional, Certified Information System Auditor, CISM, CompTIA, Security, and Certified Cloud Security Professional. Evidently, the demand for cybersecurity professionals is on the rise and is expected to increase. With this growing need, numerous career opportunities are available in the cybersecurity field for individuals with diverse backgrounds and skill set. Now, let's explore the salary ranges in the cybersecurity field from entry level to advanced level. According to Glassdoor, the average annual salary for a security analyst in the United States is approximately $91,000. In India, the average yearly salary for a security analyst is around 6 lakhs per annum. The mid-level position in cybersecurity is commonly known as security engineer. According to Glassdoor, the average annual salary for a security engineer in the United States is approximately $105,000. However, in India, it is 8 lakhs per annum. Next, the advanced level position in cybersecurity often includes roles such as cybersecurity specialist. According to Glassdoor, the average annual salary for a cybersecurity specialist in the United States is approximately $112,000. However, in India, it is 12 lakhs per annum. So, with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope this video was informative and interesting. If you need any help opting for this course, please let us know in the comment section below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, thank you and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.